Hello everyone, it's me Sai, and today we are going to continue building the simple calculator that we have made yesterday. The calculator that we have made yesterday can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and power. So this time we are going to add mean, mode and range. So the first step is importing. So we need to import math. Then we need to import statistics. So this statistics has all this functions, not the range function but the mode function. Range function is pretty easy. Okay, now all these three functions come under, in normal math it comes under statistics, while all these things, addition, subtraction, comes under normal thing. So we need to separate all these things. There's a simple way to do that. We're going to put an input statement. So it's going to be as, we're going to make it an int statement. Okay, so we have just kept an input statement, which is an integer statement. Input. So enter 1 for simple calculator and enter 2 for statistics calculator. So the number 1 is simple. First minute or simple is equal to 1, which is simple calculator. We need to just put it like this. We need to just put this code in like one tab. Okay, done. So this all code comes under this line. Put elif as I might think that you know what an elif is, or check out my previous video where I explain what it is. Okay, so elif is equal to 2. Now here comes the code that we need to put. Now for all these three statements, mean, mode and range, we need to have a certain number of values. So in this one we are going to put 5 inputs. So we get 5 statements. So let's put it as num1. So num1 is equal to float, not an integer but float, input number. Okay, we're just gonna copy this and paste it and make all the other 5. Or if you want to increase these statements, it's pretty easy. So num5, num4, okay, so we have just put some 5 input statements. Now let's put mean. It's like pretty easy. So we need all of this to come at one time. So we'll get mean, mode and the range to come at one time. Unlike this calculator where we need to choose which mathematical expression we need to use. But here it's not like that. So first we need to make this into a list. So it will be as num list. So number list is equal to num1, 3. Dot mean, statistics dot mean. So in the Python module in the module statistics, mean is a part. So mean, mode, range and etc. And we need to tell which set of values are we going to do. So I'm just going to put it as we're going to put it as num list. And let's see if this thing works. And no, sorry, I forgot to put an else statement. Wrong. Now enter 1 for simple calculator and enter 2 for statistics. 1 we have already tried in the last episode, so no need to worry. Now let's try the second one. Okay, enter the first number. Let's do it 5. Second number 9. Third number 1. Fourth number 4. Fifth number, let's make it negative 84. The mean is negative 30. Okay. Now let's start building. Let's just continue building it. Okay, now let's. So the only way to do is max, which is maximum in the list num list, minus min, which is minimum, and the words itself, the syntax is just itself tell the name. Okay, num list. Now let's try it again. This time we are going to give some repeating numbers. So enter the first number. Let's put everything as 5 6 5 6 5 6. So 5 6 5 6 5. So the mode will come as 5, and the average should be like 5.5, I guess. Oh, the mean is 5. Yeah, the mean average is like 5. It was kind of close, 5, but it's 5.4. The range is 1 because 6 minus 5 is 1. Mode is 5 because 5 is repeating 5 3 times and 6 is repeating 1 time. And it's also in a loop, so it keeps on repeating, which is a really good thing. Okay, so in the next episode, we'll build a shape calculator. So we're gonna have circle, triangle, rectangle, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, cone, and various other shapes. And write down some shapes in the comment section for me to implement it as well. And please put your code in the comment section so that I could see the code and I could rectify it. I could see if anything was wrong, and then I could also help you like that. Okay, so see you for now. Bye.